Welcome to this Anahata Heart Chakra meditation. My name is Tony Myers, and I invite you to join me on this transformative journey to open your heart for greater love and a deeper connection with yourself, others, and the universe. When our Anahata Chakra is open and balanced, we naturally feel more connected to ourselves, others, and the abundance of love in the universe flows to us naturally. As we practice this guided heart chakra visualization, you'll notice you'll be able to release emotional blockages and experience a deeper sense of self-compassion and connection to others, and you'll be able to open your heart to receive all of the love from the universe that you deserve. Let's begin. Find a comfortable meditation posture or lie down and make yourself absolutely comfortable. Gently guide your hands in your lap or on top of your legs, with your palms facing up to receive. And then take a few moments just to make sure your body's absolutely comfortable and at ease. Let's extend the crown up into the heavens above. Relax the shoulder blades back and down. Open your heart to receive. Allow the body to soften and relax. And we just start to take some easy breaths. Just watching the breath, kindness, curiosity, and compassion for the next 4 breaths. And we'll shift our attention to our physical body. And then the base of our meditation posture. And just feel a sense of being supported by the universe and Mother Earth. And knowing you are safe and secure. From this foundation, just guide your awareness to your heart. And we'll just imagine a beautiful, soft, radiant light glowing from our heart chakra at the center of your chest. Then as you breathe in, just imagine a beautiful, clean, positive energy is flowing into your heart. And as you breathe out, just imagine your heart softening and relaxing. And we'll start to breathe in sense of love, compassion, and acceptance. Just breathe out, releasing anything from your heart. And then we'll breathe in self-love, compassion, and love from the universe. Breathe out, letting go. And I kindly invite you to shift your attention back to your heart. Just imagine your heart radiating beautiful green light and starting to flow into all of your body, your arms, your head. All of your body is just radiating with love and compassion. Breathing in the love and compassion, every cell of your body. And then as you breathe out next, I'd like you to imagine that that beautiful green light is just flowing out into the world. And then you feel a beautiful connection with people you love or the people you'd like to love. Just feel that love and compassion flowing out into the world. And then next, we'll visualize that we're receiving that love and compassion and the universe is responding. Just visualize all of the love and connection you need materializing right in front of your eyes. Visualize the abundance of universe right in front of your eyes, materializing, and you're receiving everything you need to. Just allow that love to flow back into your heart, into every cell of your body. Few moments to reflect on receiving all of the love that you deserve, with the realization that you are worthy of love. And you are open to receiving the abundance of love in the universe. And with this knowing, we'll gently guide our awareness back to the breath, the physical body, the space we're in, and we'll slowly start to just move the fingers and wiggle the toes. We'll start to move our body, and we'll return with the knowing that we are worthy to receive all the love and the abundance in the universe, and will carry the vibration of love and compassion throughout our day.